All right, so I just winterized the lawnmower for the season. Winter is indeed coming, and wanted to put a video out there to show you briefly how to change your air filter in your lawnmower and also how to find the correct one to replace it. Because when you take it out of here, let's go ahead and get the old one out, and it just kind of, there's a little cover, it snaps off and you can take it out. This is the old one, pretty gross. Now, how do you find the correct one to replace it? It's not easy. There's not numbers printed easily anywhere, or are there? If you turn it to this side, you should be able to see the brand and the specific number identifying the model for the air filter. So that is what you do. And you can see the date there that it has been made. And so you come over to, I prefer Amazon, you punch in those numbers and voila, you should be able to find it, make sure those numbers are a match, and presto, a couple days later, it arrives in the mail. You could also take that number to the local hardware store, wherever they might sell these in your area, and that is it. Make sure it's oriented in the correct way, and it should pop back in the perfect fit, brand new air filter. Close it back up, should be good to go. Hopefully this video has helped you out. Thanks so much.